Jason Kapoku.
Okay, what can I do for you?
Uh, uh, I'll, I, I, I'll, sorry. I, 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 I was playing, waiting for my account to work, but for
Hmm.
some reason, every time I, oh, 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 open up WoW,
Hmm.
the screen does the 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 doesn't work.
Okay, I can see about helping you with that. I do have a question though. We now have what's called a web chat, where
Okay.
we can actually communicate with you by using typing and
Oh,
with
okay.
a back and forth typing. I can
Uh-huh.
actually show you how to access that. Would that be easier for you to use? Oh,
Yes, yes.
excellent. Can you access the BattleNet website?
Yes.
Okay. Go ahead and log on to the BattleNet website, and I'll show you what to do.
Oh, 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 oh. Okay.
All right.
Okay. Okay, la get in.
Okay. At the very top of the screen, next to where it says account, there's a support option. If you click it once, it drops down two options, Knowledge Center and Your Support Tickets. Click on Your Support Tickets.
Your support geeky. Okay.
Okay. Once you're on Your Support Tickets, click Submit a Ticket in the blue button there on the left. It says Submit a Ticket.
I click submit ticket.
Yes.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you.
And the game is World of Warcraft, correct?
Yes.
Okay.
World of Warcraft.
Okay. Once you click World of Warcraft, it says Select a Gamer Product, select World of Warcraft.
Okay.
Click the button beneath it says Choose from a list of predefined topics. And
What?
then
What? What? Choose
uh,
from choose from list. Oh, okay, okay.
predefined topics. Uh-huh.
Yeah.
And then directly beneath that it says Topics.
Oh, oh, okay. I got that.
And then for Topics, select I have a technical issue.
I think 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 my account was hacked, or I had I have issue.
Technical issue. It's the fourth one from
Oh,
the top.
oh, 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 oh,
Fourth from the top. Yeah,
okay.
fourth from the top. And then once you selected that, another option will open up beneath it. It says Topic Details.
So,
Um,
details? Topic details.
yes,
Okay.
yes.
Yeah. Okay.
And select the very bottom one. My issue is not listed here.
Oh.
And then once you've done that, scroll to the very, very bottom.
Very bad. Okay.
And it's going to say Live Chat in the very middle. It says Live Chat.
Oh, thank you. So I could, I could talk to anybody, and that can help me with my problem.
Yes, you can type it out.
Thank you. So, what is your name, sir? What is your name? Thank you. What is your name?
Marcus.
Thank you, Marcus. Tell your supervisor that you need to get promoted. I really appreciate your passions with me.
Oh, not a problem at all, sir. And I hope we get this all worked out for you. So go ahead and open the ticket, and we'll do our best to help you out, okay?
Okay, thank you. Trolled! Alright, I hung up right there. I don't want to talk to him. But yeah, that was pretty cool. Jason, Dewbie, sorry, I have like a technical issue, you know. Like
Okay.
I've been having a pretty bad day. Um, I would really like to hear some GM jokes. My friends tell me that you know, they can call Blizzard sometimes, and hold on, give me a second. They can call Blizzard, and if you're having a pretty shitty day, they can give you some jokes. about it.
Sure, I can give you a GM joke or two.
Okay. Let me hear it.
All right, I can tell you the best bad GM joke I know. What's black and white and red all over?
Why gotta be black?
Why it's got to be white?
Good question. Okay, what's the joke? Continue.
Well, it depends on the audience. What the answer is, I think the one you'd appreciate is a Pandaren in a blender. Is there anything else I could do for you?
No,
today?
that's all, man. Thank you so much. You're fucking awesome.
You're welcome. You have a great
You
afternoon.
too, man. I love you, ass.
All right.